minivans don't get the love they deserve. In a world obsessed with SUVs, two stalwart champions of practicality have kept their heads high and sliding doors open. Yes, we're talking about the 2026 Honda Odyssey and the 2026 Toyota Sienna. Two minivans that refuse to go quietly into the night. If you're a family-first driver, a weekend road tripper, or simply someone who values comfort over clout, this is the showdown that matters. These aren't your grandma's people movers. These are high-tech, high-comfort, and surprisingly fun machines. So, which one deserves your garage space in 2026? Let's break it down. Performance, tech, practicality, and the kind of real-world usability that matters to people like you. Performance. When it comes to performance, Honda and Toyota take wildly different routes. The 2026 Honda Odyssey sticks to its tried-and-true 3.5-liter V6 engine, pushing out a respectable 280 horsepower and 262 lb-ft of torque. It's paired with a smooth-shifting 10-speed automatic transmission, delivering power to the front wheels with minimal fuss and maximum reliability. While it's not turbocharged or hybridized, the Odyssey feels planted and confident, even fully loaded with passengers and gear. Fuel economy hovers around 22 miles per gallon combined, which is decent for a non-hybrid. Now contrast that with the 2026 Toyota Sienna, which proudly wears its hybrid-only badge. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with two electric motors, giving a combined output of 245 horsepower. While that may seem underwhelming on paper, the torque delivery is immediate, especially around town where hybrids shine. More importantly, the Sienna achieves an astounding 36 miles per gallon combined, making it the most fuel-efficient minivan in the game. If raw power and smoother highway performance are your priority, Odyssey takes the lead. But if fuel savings and urban efficiency matter more, Sienna wins without breaking a sweat. Technology and features. Tech is where modern minivans earn their keep, and both contenders bring serious firepower. The 2026 Odyssey gets a newly revamped infotainment system with a 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and built-in Alexa voice control. Honda has also beefed up its Honda Sensing Suite, which now includes adaptive cruise with stop-and-go, traffic jam assist, and even hands-free highway driving on select trims. One standout: the Cabin Watch and Cabin Talk system, letting parents keep an eye and voice on row 3, an absolute godsend on long trips. Toyota's 2026 Sienna isn't backing down. Its own 12.3-inch infotainment display now comes with sharper graphics and improved responsiveness. Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 includes lane tracing assist, pre-collision with pedestrian detection, and full-speed dynamic radar cruise control. Plus, higher trims offer a rear seat entertainment system, digital rearview mirror, and available all-wheel drive, a feature still missing from the Odyssey playbook. While both are tech-savvy, Toyota edges out Honda in safety and powertrain integration. But for sheer in-cabin family functionality, Odyssey's family-first features still rule. Design and practicality. Minivans are designed from the inside out, and both models embrace that ethos beautifully. The 2026 Odyssey leans more toward an upscale SUV vibe with premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, and a low, wide stance. Its Magic Slide second-row seats remain a standout feature, allowing lateral movement for easier third-row access or separating feuding siblings. Cargo space is generous: 32.8 cubic feet behind the third row, 88.8 behind the second, and 144.9 with all seats folded. That's class-leading territory. The 2026 Sienna, meanwhile, doubles down on style. It has a more aggressive exterior design that Toyota describes as SUV-inspired, and a cabin that feels futuristic. The second-row captain's chairs can slide up to 25 inches, but can't be removed due to integrated airbags, a trade-off between comfort and flexibility. Cargo space is slightly less generous: 33.5 cubic feet behind the third row, but only 101 cubic feet max with the seats in place due to their fixed nature. For families who frequently haul gear, strollers, sports equipment, or even do light DIY hauling, the Odyssey is the more versatile choice. But if comfort and sleek looks win the day, the Sienna is no slouch. Pricing and value. Price matters, especially when you're shopping for a family vehicle that's expected to do it all. The 2026 Honda Odyssey starts around $39,000, with fully loaded elite trims creeping past $52,000. For that price, you get a well-rounded, powerful, and family-focused ride that's as dependable as they come. Honda's long-term reliability and resale value are major selling points. The 2026 Toyota Sienna starts slightly lower, around $38,500, but with its hybrid tech and standard safety features, it punches well above its weight. Top trims like the Platinum or Woodland Edition, which offers mild off-road capability, can stretch past $55,000, but Toyota's fuel savings and AWD availability offer long-term value. For buyers looking at total cost of ownership, the Sienna's hybrid efficiency tips the scale. But if you're chasing flexibility and real-world function, Odyssey delivers more bang per passenger. So, which minivan should you choose in 2026? If your priority is maximum fuel savings, AWD traction, and modern styling, then the Toyota Sienna remains a brilliant all-rounder. Its hybrid-only setup and thoughtful features make it perfect for modern, eco-conscious families. But if you value traditional power, a more flexible interior, and road trip-ready amenities, then the Honda Odyssey remains the class leader. It's the minivan that refuses to compromise. More cargo, more comfort, more confidence on the open road. Eco-focused families will love the Sienna. Road warriors and hands-on parents will prefer the Odyssey. Thanks for riding with Cars Jade, your home for deep dives and expert insights on the latest and greatest in the automotive world. If you found this comparison helpful, hit that like button, drop your questions or experiences in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-world reviews and car talk that matters.